Hi, beautiful spirit. It's Nikolina from beautifulspirit.net. No, I was wanna share with you a little birdie that was singing. She stopped. I was too loud. This is my third video in this spot. Oh, there it is. Listen. I hope you can hear that. It's so amazing. I'm so happy and inspired, and I feel so peaceful, connected, and like it's something happening inside of my body. And I just filming because I want to share with you so many things with you. This place is so magical, and right now I got like a message to connect myself with this space. I never been here, exactly here, and I like it so much. And I'm sorry that I have glasses, but it's so strong, the sun in my face, that I cannot see very, that I will go like, so find some spot in nature and connect there. That's what I'm doing right now. I like it so much that I'm just sitting. I found one perfect stone. It is, it's very, I will show you. See? Yeah, it's not something that you will sit, but I found one which is perfect, exactly perfect. You can sit there and nothing is like, like sticking in your butt. And it's perfect to sit, enjoy this amazing scenery, and just chill and listen to nature and to my heart. And I suggest you do the same. Find the spot in nature where you feel called to go, to do, and just sit there, sink in the energy, and breathe in, breathe out, listen to your heart, be peaceful and still, and you will feel a lot of all kind of emotions, good ones, all rainbow. Yeah, I wanted to share with you this peaceful state and inspired state of what I feel right now, and some more of this beautiful, stunning scenery. Oh my God. Okay, bye.